If you've had to go gluten-free, you might be missing that guilty pleasure of instant ramen. So let's make a great tasting instant ramen using gluten-free ingredients. So the first thing you need is an instant ramen noodle, and I found this lotus rice ramen to be a great replacement. And then this powdered bouillon that I found in my local Chinese market is gluten-free, tastes great, and is a perfect complement for this gluten-free instant ramen recipe. Bring 2 cups of water to a boil, add in 1.5 teaspoons of the powdered chicken-flavored bouillon, and the secret here is 1/8 of a teaspoon of curry powder, and that really gives it that instant ramen flavor that you might be missing. Put in your piece of instant ramen, let that cook for 1 minute, and then take some chopsticks or some forks and spread it apart, and then just let it cook for the remaining 3 minutes. And there we go, a delicious tasting instant ramen. Hey, not bad.